Is one swimming pool as good as the next swimming pool? Like, let's say the guy that you wanted to hire or the company that you wanted to hire, they're busy. They're booked in advance for years and you don't really have time to wait. So you found this other guy or this other company and, well, I mean, they don't really seem to have as much experience. They don't really impress you other than, well, their price seems pretty good. How bad could it be? Is it worth it? Should you go with this other person to get a pool built faster? If I could articulate to you the ways in which that's a mistake fully, you'd run screaming. The to try to put it in perspective for you, how I would like to say it is this. Imagine when you wanted to buy a new car. You didn't go down to the local dealership and buy yourself a new car that's certified and government inspected and all these things. You just had to find a guy with grease on his hands and be like, "Hey, can you build me a car?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, totally. What kind do you want?" And you kind of give like a little bit of a description of some of the stuff you want this car to have, and they're like, "Yeah, okay." Like $100,000, and you very, very skeptically slide some money across the table. What kind of car are you going to get? And more importantly, if 10 different people went and did that with 10 different car builders, what are these 10 cars going to look like? Like, one's going to be made out of wood, one is going to be made out of steel, one's going to be like a person who's never built a thing in their life, another one's actually going to be really good because somebody does it as a passion. Like, there would be such a widespread, and the ways in which one car could be technically inferior to the other are literally countless. Like, you could never possibly identify all of the ways because there's so many ways. There are so many moving parts on a car. There are so many moving parts on a pool. People tend to undervalue just how many moving parts there are in a pool. There's a lot of stuff that comes together to make it happen, and it seems so simple, but it's actually a lot more complex than that. And as a result, if you get somebody inexperienced working on it, you could end up with a real disaster on your hands in countless ways. And it would take the smallest of inexperienced errors to have a total catastrophe on your hands. Like, you're talking about a pressurized plumbing system that's buried below your brand new stamped concrete deck. Oh, the pool is leaking. How do you feel about cutting holes in that brand new stamped concrete deck that you just had done? I bet you're not excited about that at all. So, for myself, building a pool is such a big deal. This is not something that you just do all the time unless you're Scrooge McDuck. So, if you're gonna spend the money and have this experience building a pool, take the time, find the right company. It's worthwhile waiting because the ways in which that one pool can be inferior to another are countless. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.